Hello world, it's yours truly, G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. When we talk about accolades and achievements and commercial sales and commercial success when it comes to music overall in the world, right? We sit and we talk about our favorites, especially from the R&B and hip hop community. So let's drop some names. You know what I mean? For the people who love hip hop like me, we got the Fugees. You know what I mean? We got our Method Mans, and you know what I'm saying? The people from the Wu-Tang Clan. We got all that stuff, right? We got Nas. We got a whole bunch of names. We could keep going. We got Pac. We got Big. We got all that, right? On the sales of a single album, right? On the sales of a single album. And we can throw our R&B people in. I'm dragging this out. Our R&B people. Who are your favorite R&B people? The Brandys, the Monicas, you know what I mean? Whole bunch of folks. Talk to me about the Jodeci's, you know what I mean? Showing my age here, you know what I mean? Real R&B stuff. Ooh, the new editions, all of that. On the sale of one album. The album is Hot Shots. None of those names that I just called. And another 500 that I could call if I had the time. None of them have sold more copies of any one album than Shaggy, Sir Shaggy, the Shaggy. Put some respect on the name, Dr. Shaggy. You know what I mean? Shaggy's album, Hot Shots. All right? Fact. My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.